Hello friends, this is Tanish Rajput from Robotics Mastermind. So today we will see what is a resistor, what is the color code means, and how to crack it. So let us see what's a resistor. A resistor means it's used to resist the flow of current. Means a nice normal flow is going and we just resist it to resist the flow of our current. And resistance, it is called as the task, we can say it as resistance. And the resistance is the task done by a resistor. Unit of a resistor is called as ohms, ohms, ohms. And you will see further how we are going to do the ohms part, means how we are going to write the sign. And there are three types of resistor. First one we can see is 4 band resistor. Another is 5 band resistor, and as we go further there is 6 band resistor. So it starts from 4, 5, 6. That there are three types of our resistor. And if I get further going, so how is the color or coding, means this color to this number, how is it 10? Now first to band means first color is, I think so, brown. So as you can see, then there is number 1, so we will write the number 1. And if it's orange, we can write the 3. But starting to numbers, we will write as it is number shown over here. So if it's, I say black, then 0, and another one red, so 2. So it will be 0, 2. And let us get going with the multiplier. Means what's the third one? Multiplier. We need to multiply the numbers. No, we will just add that 0. How? If it's black, we will don't write anything and continue further. If it's brown, we will write 1, 0. It's red, 2 times 0 we will write, and it's orange, we will write as third, fourth, fifth, sixth. We will just continue writing the 0 number over there. And then we will further go into our 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, and we will write 0. Now we will see what is the 4th. It is called as tolerance. Gold is 5%, silver is 10%, none is 20, and maximally the much higher it goes, that much means that percent means it not comes, means 20% it will not come, means not that, like, means you will not get the none, means the none color will become you rarely. And the silver and gold 5 to 10% they come normally, the none comes rarely, so we need to just focus on gold and silver. And middle that you will write directly, no, there is a small short form ohms. I tell you the unit is ohms, so we will write as ohms plus slash minus and continue to the 5%, 10%, 20%. I have a quiz over here, so we will solve that together. Now first band and second band are our digits, so it's black and brown. So black one is, I think so, our black one is 0, so we will write 0. Brown is 1, we will write 1. And the third band is our is a multiplier. So how multiply you works, you know. So it's red, we will add 2 times 0, so it will be 0, 1, 0, 0. Ohms plus slash minus, that's compulsory. And gold is 5%, as you can see, that's the 5%. And like that. Well, and let us go to some doubts that I also have, and I sort it out by myself. So it takes too much time, that's a real thing. It takes too much time, need someone to solve our code, the resistor code, and get faster answers. And machine do it, you can see how machine can do it. You will see, because the machines means if you tell a man to remove it, it will take same time as he answered and you answer, the both answer will come at the same time, and it will take much more time. And I have ideas on that, and I have made a app that can crack the color code, and I will show you right away right now. And if you want to just see how I make it with software, with component, you can just subscribe, get notified, because our next video is on that only. So let us check how it works. So here I am in my mobile screen. So let me write down the code as FZJ and WCX and let me enter it, and it should be visible. It will be not work in Google Chrome if you try it from there. It will only work on what we can say, what is name, Firefox. Yes, Firefox. So let me start it. It will be show a little screen over here. So here will be our results. Means let me show you. If I click over here and let me use our previous this one suggestion, that black, brown, red, and as well as what we can say is our gold one, which we have done before. If I calculate it as I tell 0100, yes, I forgot to tell you that the homes is also over there. 0100 homes plus slash minus 5%. If I just change this to silver, and as we see the silver is our 10%, it should show 10. If I make some correction over here, make it yellow, calculate it, it will be 0400. And if I make the largest number over here, it will show all the zeros over here, as you can see. So let me just show you the before one, that's 0. If I make it orange and calculate it, it's 3 4. And if I change it to some smaller like black, so the black will not show anything. Yes, black will not show any zeros. And if I take the green one, as you can see, there are so many colors, and every time I click here to change the color, that's a label, and this opens up us a new screen and take the value back over here, and you just calculate it. And if you want to see how I make this app, so you need to just do a simple goal, 25 likes, and I will show you the what we can say, the making of this app. So this was my app, and as you can see, I'm trying to also make it to the Play Store, as well as whenever I will post it over there in further videos, I will tell you about the resistor, so you can also learn how, see by yourself how it works. So this was our resistor, and you can just we can proceed to our PPT. As you see, the app was interesting, and let me just tell you, if you want to know what's that means for next video is luck. And we can just see, thanks for watching, like, share, comment if any doubt, and subscribe for more videos. Stay home, stay safe.